Dig with YouTube agus Connor Tatsu. Connor Dunner here, back with another YouTube video showing you how to make your sketches pop using Photoshop. Welcome back, guys. Right click on your image sketch, open with Adobe Photoshop. Come over to your Layers tab and left click on the lock to unlock it and turn it into a layer. Press Image, Image Rotation, and 90 degrees counterclockwise to get it into the right orientation. Create a new mask, and I have grey selected, and I'm going to press Command Backspace. The next step then is to turn down the opacity so we can see our sketch. Create a layer mask, and on that layer mask we are going to reveal and conceal parts that we want. So with black selected, press B if you don't have the brush already selected, and we'll start colouring it in. I'll be back in just a sec when I have it all done. With the sketch done, we're just going to tidy up some parts with the white brush. Just to conceal it if you do it wrong, instead of just undoing everything, just tidying up like I am. With everything done, I'll be back in a minute to show you everything. So with that all done, come up to File, Export, and Export As. You could pick a format of your choice. I usually pick JPEG, but that's totally up to you. So, if you enjoyed the tutorial, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. You can also follow me on Instagram @ConnorDonoghue, where you can keep up to date on all my projects and everything design. Slán.